that should be the intro for the entire build project. All that stuff is going into this thing. That's what we're doing this month. So I'm just pulling the steering column and the pedals out of the duster and start getting ready to fit some other stuff in there. So I just popped out the pin here. And using a pry bar, I just got it up. Kind of separated. I need to pull it from that side. Tiny bit of liquid wrench on there and gave it a little pry bar action. She fell right out. Okay. Trying to get this subframe out of here. Being not nice. Broken upper control arm bolt. Broken torsion bar bolt. Another broken up and controller arm bolt. Both of them are seized. Can't get either of them out. At least we were able to get the subframe bolts loose. Consider that a win. Torsion bar bolts are broken though, so we can't maybe try and remove the whole lower control arm. I don't know. Torsion bar's in there. Don't have a way to get it out. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna cut it all out. I'm not gonna use any of it. I'm gonna take some drastic measures, I think. Even more so. I'm gonna get this bitch going. Cut it all out. Damn it. Really didn't want to have to do this, but I only got an option. Alright. Oh, that was sketchy. Cut the torsion bar in half. Went halfway through and then it just went pop! Sketch. Sick as shit. Ooh, we cut and cut and cut and cut and cut and cut. Cut the torsion bars, cut the upper shock mounts, cut the upper control arms. Because it was all fucking rusted to shit. Now we're going to drop the subframe. Just took me a second to get it recentered on here. Now I'll move all the shit out of the way. And maybe just try and slide it under there. Fuck, where can we put it? We'll just put it right here for now. There we go. New HEMI, subframe, control arms, suspension, steering, brakes. Old subframe, old suspension, old steering, old brakes. Empty hole where all that shit used to be. Oh fuck, it looks like we could actually do something with this now. Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm stoked. We're just gonna drop this turd back on there and fucking roll it out of here onto a trailer. Going to the scrap yard. Sell it for a few hundo. 4 or 5 actually. Alright man, that's it for today. We're gonna call it a night. And we're gonna get back on this tomorrow. Get prepping to put all that stuff in here. All that stuff. All of this stuff over here is gonna go into here over this area. Yep, that's what we're doing. That should be the intro for the entire build project. All that stuff is going into this thing. That's what we're doing this month. Okay, fine.
Yeah.